Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the HZ English Pod.
I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie. We're so excited you're here with us today.
Sophie, I have a question for you. Yesterday, I tried to tell my friend where I left my phone, and I got so confused.
Oh no, what happened?
I didn't know if I should say my phone is in the table, or on the table, or at the table. It's so confusing.
That's a super common problem, Liam. And you know what? That's exactly what we're talking about today.
Really? Perfect timing.
Yes, today we're learning about prepositions, specifically in, on, and at.
Those tiny words that cause big problems.
Exactly. But don't worry, everyone. By the end of this episode, you'll feel much more confident using these words.
And we want you to practice with us. Repeat the sentences out loud. Speaking is the best way to learn.
Absolutely. Okay, before we start, lovely listeners, please hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode.
All right, Sophie, let's solve my phone problem. Where should I start?
Let's start with in. This is usually the easiest one to understand. In.
In. Okay, what does in mean?
Think of in as inside something. If something is surrounded or enclosed, we use in.
Surrounded or enclosed. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Your phone is in your pocket. It's inside, right?
Oh, yes, it's surrounded by my pocket. That makes sense.
Exactly. Let's practice some common phrases. Repeat after me. The milk is in the fridge.
The milk is in the fridge.
Good. Another one. I live in London.
I live in London. Wait, why do we say in for cities?
Great question. Because when you're in a city, you're surrounded by it. You're inside the city area.
So I live in Pakistan, in Lahore, in my neighborhood.
Perfect. You've got it. Let's try more. The keys are in the drawer.
The keys are in the drawer. I want cookies now.
Me too. One more. The fish are in the water.
The fish are in the water. This is easy.
See? In is simple. Just remember, inside, surrounded, enclosed.
What about time? Can we use in for time too?
Yes, good thinking. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening.
In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But not in the night, right?
Correct. We say at night. We'll get to at in a minute.
Okay, so in is for inside things and for parts of the day. Got it.
On. Now let's move to on. This one is different.
Okay, I'm ready. What does on mean?
On means something is touching a surface. It's on top of something.
On top, like my cup is on the desk.
Exactly. Your cup is touching the surface of the desk. It's on the desk.
So going back to my problem, my phone is on the table.
Yes, not in the table. That would mean inside the wood.
That would be strange. Okay, let me practice. My book is on the shelf.
Perfect. Let's do more. The picture is on the wall.
The picture is on the wall.
Your name is on the list.
Your name is on the list.
Good. Now here's a tricky one. What about transportation?
Transportation, like buses and trains?
Yes. Do we say in the bus or on the bus?
I would say in the bus because I'm inside it, right?
That's logical, but actually we say on the bus, on the train, on the plane.
Really? Why?
It's because these are larger vehicles where you can walk around. Think of it as being on a platform or on a vehicle.
Interesting. So I'm on the bus, but in the car?
Exactly. Cars are smaller, you're enclosed inside, but for buses, trains, and planes, we say on.
Let me practice. I'm on the bus.
Good.
I'm on the train.
Excellent. And we're on the plane.
Perfect. You're getting it. What about clothes? My shirt is in my body or on my body?
On your body. Clothes are on your body because they're touching your skin's surface.
Right. I have a jacket on. She's wearing a hat on her head.
Exactly. And here's another use of on for days and dates.
Days and dates?
Yes, on Monday, on Tuesday, on December 25th.
On Monday, on my birthday, on New Year's Day.
Perfect. So remember, on is for surfaces, large transportation, clothes, and specific days.
This is really helpful, Sophie.
At. Now for the last one, at. This is the trickiest.
Oh no, why is it tricky?
Because at is used for specific points or locations, not inside or on a surface.
Specific points. What does that mean?
Think of at as pointing to an exact place, like I'm at the bus stop.
At the bus stop, not in the bus stop or on the bus stop.
Correct. You're at that specific location.
Okay, what are the most common uses?
First, we use at for places where we do activities. At school, at work, at home.
At school, at work, at home. Let me think. I study at school.
Good.
My dad works at the hospital.
Perfect. And I'm relaxing at home.
Excellent. Now, we also use at for events.
Events like parties?
Yes, at the party, at the concert, at the meeting.
I met my friend at the wedding.
Great example. And another use is for specific addresses.
Addresses like my house number?
Yes, I live at 42 Park Street.
Oh, so in the city, on the street, at the specific address.
Exactly. You're combining all three. Wow, that's smart. I live at 15 Main Road, on Main Road, in Manchester.
Perfect. And one more important use. We say at night.
Right. You mentioned this earlier. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night.
Correct. And also at noon, at midnight.
Why at for these times?
Because they're specific points in time, not periods of time.
Okay, Liam, now let's compare these prepositions. This will really help you understand the differences.
Good idea. I'm ready.
Let's start with a location, the park. Can you make 3 sentences using in, on, and at with park?
The children are in the park. They're inside the park area.
Good.
The bench is... I'm sitting on the bench in the park.
Excellent. And at?
Let's meet at the park entrance, a specific point.
Perfect. See how they're all different? Let's try bed.
Okay. I'm in bed. I'm under the covers sleeping.
Yes.
The book is on the bed. It's on top of the bed.
Great. Now try office.
I work at the office. That's the location.
Good.
I'm in the office. I'm inside the room.
Excellent.
The files are on the desk in the office.
Wow, you're using all of them together. That's advanced.
I'm learning fast.
Now let's talk about common mistakes. Even native speakers sometimes get confused.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Yes. For example, people often say in the weekend, but we actually say on the weekend or at the weekend.
On the weekend or at the weekend. Both are correct.
Yes. In American English, we usually say on. In British English, at is common.
Interesting. What about in time versus on time?
Ooh, good one. They're different. In time means you're not late. You arrived before the deadline.
So I arrived in time for the movie.
Exactly. But on time means exactly at the scheduled time. Not early, not late.
The train arrived on time at exactly 3 p.m.
Perfect. Another mistake, People say at the corner when they mean on the corner.
So it's the shop is on the corner.
Yes, because the building is on the street corner, touching that surface.
Got it.
Okay, Liam, and everyone listening, it's quiz time.
I love quizzes. Let's do this.
I'll give you a sentence with a blank. You say in, on, or at. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1. The cat is sleeping blank the sofa.
The cat is sleeping on the sofa.
Correct. Number 2. I'll meet you blank 6 o'clock.
I'll meet you at 6 o'clock.
Perfect. Number 3. There's coffee blank your cup.
There's coffee in your cup.
Great. Number 4. She lives blank Paris.
She lives in Paris.
Excellent. Number 5. The movie starts blank Friday.
The movie starts on Friday.
Amazing. Number 6. He's waiting blank the bus stop.
He's waiting at the bus stop.
Perfect. Last one. Number 7. My favorite show is blank Netflix.
Ooh, tricky. My favorite show was on Netflix.
Correct, because it's on the platform.
I got them all right.
You did, and I hope everyone at home did too.
Wow, Sophie, I feel so much more confident now.
That's wonderful. So let's recap quickly.
In is for inside things, enclosed or surrounded.
On is for surfaces, touching the top of something.
At is for specific points, locations, or times.
Perfect summary. Now, everyone listening, here's your homework.
Homework? Don't worry, it's fun homework.
Look around the room you're in right now. Make 5 sentences using in, on, and at.
For example, I'm sitting on a chair in my room at home.
Exactly. Practice makes perfect.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Absolutely. Even native speakers sometimes get confused.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the HZ English Pod.
And leave us a comment. Tell us what's the hardest preposition for you.
We read every comment and we love hearing from you.
Next episode, we'll learn even more useful English.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep smiling.
Until next time.
Bye, everyone.